So finally here is good opportunity for me to make $100 or above from Bybit exchange. New token listing time has been confirmed. Chrono.tech time/USDT. This is token new cryptocurrency. You can also buy this token before listing or after listing and make a massive profit. If you want to make money using this token, so finally we are thrilled to announce that Chrono.tech time will be listed in innovation zone. Check out the detail below. Deposit has been activated. Trading time will start on 13 January 9 am UTC. You can also calculate this time according to your country by using Google. Withdrawal time will start on 14 January 9 am UTC as that same time. Campaign period has been started from 13 will start from 13 January 9 am to 18 January 9 am UTC time. This is also a campaign that I use and make $10,000 worth of rewards. Bitget exchange will share 10,000 USDT worth of rewards. If you want to join this reward, you can also visit this website, link in description box. Click on the box and will redirect to this website. So here you can see register now, but here are some promotions for you. First is new users bonus. User who make their first deposit or spot trading of no less than $100 in time will be rewarded $5 in each time. First 300 users only. If a new user who make account and deposit USDT in their spot wallet and make first trading in time/USDT, then they make $5. Not be less than but not least. Then second promotion is $3,000 in time for exclusive spot traders bonus. This is massive profits for you if you join this. You can also read this complete detail. Description box is available. Click on description box and go to this website, and also you can find all and each and everything where there also they can explain. So you can use this method to make a massive profit by using Bitget or this token. If you want to join Bitget by using my refer link, description box are available in description box. You can also visit and get a massive profits and get a massive bonus for using my refer links.